everybody. I know I've been gone for quite some time. I've been really busy with all my students, my academy. I've had a lot of students over doing some personal training with all of them. Just basically focus on taking my students to the top so we can end 2018 off with a bang and start 2019 off the right way. So I want to go ahead and give you guys all an update on eBay stock. Now, eBay has been an amazing play. Check this out. Ticker symbol eBay, EBAY. Remember, don't trade the ticker symbol. Trade the company. So, ever since I saw eBay up at this level, up at 46.93, I was watching price up here. Once I saw that at one point, actually, it was a small candle, and I saw it drop, I said, okay, you know what? I'm going to keep on watching this. So I didn't think it was right to sell here. I didn't think it was right to sell here because we are still bullish. So that would have went ahead and gave me some areas where I thought it would have a lot of risk. Let me go ahead and put this back right here at this level. So we saw an impulse and correction. Basically, what I was waiting for was a correction. I wanted at least a correction for about 1 to 2 months, and then I was going to go ahead and sell. So when we saw the correction all the way up here, we saw the impulse. We saw the correction, we saw the impulse. And 2 months ago, I told all my students, sell eBay. So we sold eBay up at 34, we sold eBay at 32, and now eBay is currently sitting right here. So what can happen right now? It's really easy. You see how we had the impulse followed by the correction? Now we have the impulse followed by another correction. We could see it come down to this level right here. So let's go ahead and mark that level up. So we could see it come down to about $21 to $20 per share actually. And I'm going to go ahead and grab one of these rectangles. So about $21 per share to about $20 per share is where we should go ahead and expect eBay to collapse to. Now, one of the reasons why I would go ahead and say that eBay would go ahead and collapse there is because of how price is going. If the cloud can come ahead and pinch in, and we can have a Kumo twist, this will go ahead and validate that price will go a whole lot lower. Now, do I think it'll go all the way down to about $9 per share? No, I do not. The reason why I don't believe so is because we still do have to wait on this indicator to pull back down here, and then eventually it'll come down and pull right back up, which will make eBay stock most likely bounce around here and then make its way back up. That's what I'm looking at for eBay. So it's not too late to go ahead and have puts or take some sells on eBay via CFD.